Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to fold this epic jet, the Albatross. It's a very cool jet. As you can see, it has reinforced nose, color change cockpit, or not color change yet, but reinforced wings, and two vertical stable, or two tail fins. It has air intake and two afterburners. The afterburners are a little bit hard to form, but it's not too bad. The plane, it's not too bad. It should fly very far, but so yeah. Anyways, let's get into the folding. So the first step that you're going to do is fold a preliminary fold. And then you're gonna do another preliminary fold to the other side. Just like that. Okay. So once you got that, you're going to want, you're basically doing a water bomb base, but you're not. You're gonna do all the folds for a water bomb base, but don't do the water bomb base. So, or you could just fold it in half like this. You only have to fold it in half once, actually. I mean, you can fold it in half twice. You don't really have to, but you only need to fold it once. Jeez, I can't look at that. That crease was really bad. It made me so angry. Ah, no! Okay, that was really bad. I'm sorry, that was a really bad crease. So sorry. Just gonna remake that crease. But now all you want for accuracy is just to get it perfect on one line. Like, get it perfect on the edge, because that's what you're gonna need most. So once you've done that, you're gonna have this, and you're gonna use this crease and put it on this center line here. This is what I mean. You're gonna fold it and then make sure that this crease is on the center line. Like that. It's a little bit hard to see, but it shouldn't be too bad. Boom. And then you're just gonna fold that over on that crease. It's on the crease that you use, but my crease is really bad, so I'm gonna make a new one. But well, not right now. But I just did it in there, and then you just fold it in like that. So that's why you don't need to fold it in again, because you could just match it from what you're doing like that. But you can see you're just doing that. You just crease that. Sorry if that's not super clear, but it must go on. So then you're gonna crease it down and fold it down on this. Like that. Like that. I'm also gonna so boom. Okay. Once you folded that, you're gonna fold this edge to the top. once you've done that, you're going to fold this like that on that edge, on that crease. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then once you've done that, you're going to unfold that and fold this edge right to this intersection, like right into there. So. It doesn't really matter how many times you fold this in, but I'm just, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to fold it in one more time. But you're going to unfold that, then fold this edge to there. This is how we're going to create our air intake. Then you just fold that in like that, and then you're going to collapse that like that on those creases you just made. Or on the creases you made before that. Boom. And then you're going to fold this edge up to there. This plane looks like the Vulcan Interceptor, but the folds are different, like a lot different. The air intake is different, kind of stuff, but. So, yeah, so once you've done that, you're going to fold down on this crease. Okay, now this step is a bit tricky. So what you're going to do is you're going to make these creases so you can use them in the crease that we're going to do, because this crease is really hard. So you're going to fold this edge in, but like into there. So this edge matches up with that. Just like that. Okay, and then you're going to fold that in like that. Or do it on the other side. Sorry, I wasn't talking much. So once you'll have this, you're going to unfold all of that. And then you're going to fold, here, I'm going to do it backwards. You're going to fold a crease that goes in like there and a triangle that goes on like into that crease. It's a little confusing, like that. You're going to fold it in like that. So sorry if that was not clear, but that makes it so that when you do that, these layers are not there. And then you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, that might not have been clear enough, but I'm doing it that side too. Like that. Just going to try and get that on the center crease. Yeah, you want it on the center crease if you understand that fold. Okay, if you did that correctly, you'll have this. Now, once you've done that, I'm going to open one of these edges up. I'll just do the right one for now. And you're gonna open that up, and you're gonna open up this edge. So you'll see how this edge is in there. You wanna open it up so it's not in there, like that. Then you're gonna slide that. So now you can open up this edge. And then you're gonna do something to the other side. So once you have that, you are going to fold from this edge to there. Just do it until it catches on that crease. But yeah, it should. Then once you've done that, you're gonna fold it in half and make it so that it matches. It's okay if the top layers are bubbling. We're going to fix that. So yeah. You have the perfect crease, or crease. Sorry, this one ripped. Oopsies. Oh, let's check that again. Okay, no rip. Or a little bit. It won't matter. If the rip's where you'll put the fin, it really won't show. So yeah, now once you've done that, you're going to open this up and pull out this layer from under there. And you're gonna fold that down. A good way to know that you got it at a correct angle, there's a crease right here, and you wanna line up on this crease. And you did do that to the same side, or to the other side. And then once you've done that, you're gonna flip it over and fold this edge, this edge into there. This is how we're gonna reinforce it. Like that. Now, you can fold it one more time, but we're not gonna do that in this tutorial, so we're just gonna fold it down. Once you folded it in, you're gonna fold it down. Because I'm using really thick paper, and I don't want it to get really thick to where I can't do it. Fold it in. It might still bubble a little bit, but it's fine. It won't do it when you're just folding the model. But yeah, so once you've done that, you're going to fold from this edge to that edge with this edge. I said edge a lot. Fold in half and match it. Okay, then you're going to unfold that and fold from to that crease with this edge. Yeah, that might not have been clear enough, but it's okay, I'll probably figure it out. Then you're going to match it like this. Okay, and then you're gonna fold from this edge, like up to there. If you've made any jets with a certain like base and you do this to get the tail fins, this is going to be a bit different. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, once you have this, you're going to unfold all of that. And this is a little different. So you're going to open it up. You're going to fold this edge, but only fold on that edge. And then close it up. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. So then you'll have this, and then you're just going to open that up and fold that in. And do the same thing on the other side. Then once again, you just fold it in there. So, and if you fold it out like that, you'll have that. You'll have that, yeah. And these are going to be our afterburners. I don't jet fold the model quite yet. As you can see, there's still coaching cockpit left. So then, now what you're going to do is you're going to fold from this edge into there. Then you're going to just pedal hold it, get it to the top. Yeah, mine isn't really wanting to cooperate with me right now. Hold on, you could just do this. Actually, hold up. Yeah, we're just gonna, yeah, you pedal hold it. I'm done, sorry. And once you've pedal folded it, you'll have another layer that we're going to use to make our color change cockpit. Or, not color change. I don't know why I said that so loud. So yeah, once you have this, you're gonna use this edge and fold it down to this intersection. Down into there. And then you're going to fold it from there into, like, or fold it to the top. Most of you probably know this, how to make this kind of cockpit, so I probably shouldn't explain this that much, but then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So, yeah, I won't explain this much now, because most of you probably know how to do this, so we're just going to do this. Yeah, so, yeah, once you've done that, if you could follow along for that, you'll see these two edges right here. And you'll see that they fold into there. Yeah, we're gonna use that so our cockpit doesn't come undone. So we're gonna fold it in half and fold on those edges. And if those edges aren't perfect, you can just fold it in better. Or do a new crease. That's what I should have said. So, yep, it's pretty good. Yep. Sorry if you hear some background music, or not music sounds. And once you've done that, there's not really much left to do except shaping until, well, not shaping, but just kind of getting ready for the jet fold. Yeah, so what you're going to do is you're just going to unfold these and unfold from that to there. You can just jet fold the model after you've done that. Yeah, my jet fold isn't going to be really good, but I have to end this tutorial because my camera's almost dead, so I should probably make this quick. Okay, so once you have this, you're going to open up this and fold these two edges into there. You could fold this one edge into it. Fold this one edge. Well, you could fold this one edge and then you could like just fold on that edge with the other one. So yeah, and you'll just fold it in. If you have two different colored paper, they'll have the cockpit a different color, but I don't have that paper, so my cockpit's gonna see the same color. So, yep. And then once you have that, you can fold it. You're gonna unfold this edge and fold on that edge like that. And then just gonna fold on that. You're just gonna roll it. Sorry, it's pretty thick. Make sure not to rip this back edge. You want to try your best not to rip it. Even I ripped it a bit. This back edge. Right there. Right there. You want to make sure not to rip it. So, yeah. But, sorry, that's the truck driving by. So, yep, once you've done that, the rest that you're going to do is fold up the wings. Fold up the wings. Yeah. Fold the wings up, fold the tail fins up. Make sure they both don't match. I mean, they should. So. And you want the tail fins to be pretty, you want them to have a bit of an angle, like that much. Like that much of an angle. Oh, I'm really bad at angle. It's like that much. But not too much more. This one's a bit different, but it won't make much of a difference. So, yeah. Now, once you have that, you're going to use these two fins. You're going to fold one of them in like that. So, and then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So, yeah. And once you have that, all you're doing is just, like, shaping. So, you also want to open up your front air intake. Yeah, it's a bit hard to shape it in the right, like, area you want it. But it's like that. This one's a bit better. But yeah. Then you're just gonna open up the afterburners like this. You can get a pencil, but I don't have one right now. So mine might be a bit harder, I guess. Yeah, this is gonna be really hard. Well, you will open up these because there's a little like hole, but I don't have a pencil. And I don't want to get up and get it and get one right now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open it up, but this video is getting too long and I don't have a pencil, so yeah, I'm gonna open that out. Oh, yeah, you could get a pencil and just like rub it in there, but this video was getting too long, so peace out, or like, subscribe, and peace out.